Welcome, in front of me is DELL Latitude 5400, and in this video I'll show you how to toggle web camera on this laptop. To toggle your camera, open the Start menu, then go to Settings, select Bluetooth and Devices, then go to Cameras, select Integrated Webcam, and to turn it off, click Disable, then Yes. To turn it back on, click Enable. Don't forget that your camera has a manual shutter. To open it, slide it to the right, and to close it, slide it to the left. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.